And I now will make a statement in my national capacity as representative of the Russian Federation. I didn't want to comment upon your report, Madam Prosecutor, but broadly speaking, there is nothing to comment there because there is zero development in the investigation. And the document, the report, the report, which in theory should be about the activities of the court, is instead largely a description of the international visits made by the President of Sudan. The rest of the report is replete with quotes from the country reports by the Secretary General and from the verbatim records of the subject briefings of the Security Council. There is one topic probably which is worthy of attention, and I will dwell on it in detail. The ICC continues appealing to UN member states, including those member states which are not state parties to the Rome Statute, and asks them to arrest and to bring to justice those individuals which figure in their investigations. In particular, they mention the arrest of the President of Sudan, and whilst doing that, they refer to the Security Council Resolution 1593. But the resolution directly states that the states which are not parties to the Rome Statute have no obligations under the statute, and therefore they do not have to comply with these kinds of requests from the International Criminal Court. And if memory serves, this provision was included into the resolution upon the request from the United States. Furthermore, the very fact that the Security Council refers a situation to the International Criminal Court automatically does not lead to an end of the immunity for the officials of the states in question. And we do hope that the states parties to the Rome Statute also understand that. The immunity of state officials from criminal jurisdiction is one of the key norms of customary international law, an extremely important element of stability in international relations. The personal immunity of high officials has no exceptions whatsoever under customary law. And all other officials have functional immunity. Therefore, the situation which was created by the ICC led to the following. The states consistently, and this is what we're seeing, consistently refuse to execute the arrest warrant issued in The Hague against the President of Sudan. And for us, this is not surprising, because states act in line with their own international legal obligations. This situation leads to the following. The level of trust in the International Criminal Court is steadily going down. Unfortunately, that's a fact. That's our assessment of the situation. Therefore, unfortunately, I am compelled to say that as of today, the ICC is not the kind of body which can effectively carry out the tasks that it was at one point entrusted with by the Security Council. And now I resume my function as President of the Council